Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maureen. I'm a content creator based in Nairobi, Kenya. So today I'm going to do a weekly reset. So today is on Monday noon. So we'll start by washing the baby and also giving her lunch because it's already noon. So I'm doing that to see if her legs are strong, and she loves that. She loves nowadays talking on the camera, but I've not revealed her face yet. But soon I'll do that. So I'm preparing her lunch. Today she's taking a potato and also a tomato. So that's what she'll take for lunch. I've started weaning her, so we are not taking strong meals yet. So, and also guys, please recommend what I should do so that she can stop sucking her thumb, and also recommend what I should put on the water so that she can take a lot of water. I feel like she doesn't like taking water, so please recommend what I should do guys. I'm using this silicone feeder. It's so durable and so affordable, and it's so good because you just have to wash it and put it aside and use it again. So yeah, it's so durable. So for my lunch, I'm going to take indomie and scrambled eggs and also water. That's my lunch. So I tried soothing her on my back, but she didn't sleep, but she slept on the stroller after watching a lot of cartoons. So I'm just taking her to bed so that I can start my reset. So I want to clean my house. Yesterday was on Sunday. On Sunday I don't do anything. I love relaxing my mind on Sunday. I like lazing out on Sunday or going out, so I don't do anything on my house on Sunday, and that's okay because our bodies need to rest. So let me know what you do on Sundays, if you clean your house, or if you go out after church, or if you spend the whole day in church. Just let me know. And also let me know on the comment section how you are loving this vlog, how you are loving this calm vlog. If you do, please let me know if you want more of this, because for me, I'm enjoying a lot. So I love watching such vlogs, so I decided why not do it today, so that if you are feeling depressed, if you are feeling low, you can watch this video and feel encouraged to do something, and also feel like you have someone beside you. If you are feeling that, please know that I'm sending you hugs, and also know that you are loved, and just clean your house, you will feel better. For my furnitures, I love using multi-purpose cleaner. It removes stains and also it leaves your furnitures so shiny. So that's what I used, and I also use it on my couches. It removes stains. So if you're struggling with stains on your couches, use the multi-purpose Astonish cleaner. So it will remove all the stains. It does wonders. I had cleaned this throw blanket, so let's put it back where it's supposed to be. It's always there to decorate, and also we can use it just to warm ourselves. And also I had cleaned these throw pillow cases, so I had put them back. So let's clean the mirror and also clean the carpet. I love opening my windows for the clean and fresh air, so that we can start the week with a clean, fresh house. So yeah. So we finished cleaning my sitting room. Now we come to the kitchen. My kitchen is looking so dirty. I'm going to clean it behind the camera and come back. This is 1 hour later. I cleaned my kitchen. My kitchen is smelling so good and so fresh. So it's now time to feed the baby with porridge. It's currently 5 p.m. so she needs to take her porridge before it gets dark, and also we need to catch the sunset. So I'm going to see if she has woken up. Oops, she's still sleeping. So I'm going to take advantage of this time. Let me go and shower because I've not showered yet. So let me shower before she wakes up. I know it's almost her time to wake up, so let's shower quickly and come back and catch the sunset and also feed her. So I love freshening up in the morning and also in the evening. So today I've not freshened up in the morning. My morning was so lazy because I had woken up so early to take my other kid to school, so I didn't shower in the morning. And I love staying in the shower for such a long time. I've stayed in the shower for like 30 minutes. I love the water running on my back. If you are a mom and you're having some backache, please stay in the shower for like 10 minutes. Let the shower run on you and you're going to feel better. So I'm going to just put on Dera because I'm not going anywhere, and also I need to put on something very light because I'm going to catch the sun and I don't want to sweat so much. So let's go. My baby will eat this porridge, and did I say it? No, my baby is going to drink that porridge. My other baby is back from school, so she just taking us to the rooftop so that we can catch that sunset. As you can see, oh my god, I love that sunset. So let's catch the sunset and also feel good. I feel good after showering and then going to catch the sunset. You feel so good. So she is not into porridge yet, so I'm going to sing a lot of songs so that she can take that porridge. So she finished taking her porridge, and that was a lot of porridge. So it's my time now to drink some cocoa, some dark chocolate, so that I can start resetting my week on my diary. So that's what I do on Mondays. So don't read a lot. That's me. I set the manually way, so don't read a lot of it. So let me just do that as I listen to motivational speakings. What do we call them? As I listen to motivation talks, so that I can feel motivated.
The body has limitations, the mind does not. We focus so much on what goes on from the neck down that we forget it all starts from here. Everything starts from here. If you're not mentally ready, you're never really physically prepared. And that's where the preparation starts.
What would your life be like as you look toward the future if you decided, I'm not going to allow my fears to stop me? And I'm saying to you, whatever you got to do, do it, because if you don't, life is going to whoop you until you surrender.
So when you're young and you make mistakes, don't let them eat you up. Because everybody that done made it, done made it. You got to fail in order to win. Hey, look, man, to understand how to hit the game-winning shot, you got to miss the game-winning shot. You know, you got to be tough, because the road to success is always under construction. It's never a clear path to success. The people who become successful are the people who have a relentless attitude. And you just got to hang in there through the bad breaks, because the bad breaks is coming, but they usually come right before the big break is about to happen. You get a series of bad breaks and it stumbles up a lot of people. My life and my success is to say to anyone, you can stumble, you can fall, you can get back up again. No matter what you face.
no matter how bad it is going to be when there is a challenge.
I hope you have felt motivated on that motivational talk. I felt motivated so much. So whenever you are feeling low and you feel like you're not ready to create content, just know it's normal, and also make your mind rest a little bit, and also know that you can stumble but you can wake up again and start doing what you want and do what you love. So don't ever feel bad about yourself. Don't ever compare yourself with anyone. Just do what you do most, and also keep on praying, because God first. Always keep God first, and don't forget to love yourself and love your mental health. If you feel like you need a break, just take a break. And also, if you feel like you need to go out and interact with people, do so. If you feel like you need to lock yourself in the house and watch TikToks, YouTube videos, and also Instagram, please do so. If you feel like you need to take a break from online, just do so that your mind can come back and also relax, so that you can start again with full energy and no pressure. When I was writing my diary, I realized I had a lot to do this week. So it's so good to write them down so that you cannot forget. So now my week is set and I feel so good, so refreshed. So I'm just playing with the baby, and this is how my day went, and this is how it ended up. My other daughter showered and she has gone out to play with other kids, so I'm just remained with my baby here. The only thing that we are going to do is just relax and watch cartoon. That's what you do when you have a toddler. You don't have the TV for yourself. The TV is for the toddlers, guys. So I will see you on my next one. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and join this family. And for my returnees, thank you so much, guys. I love you so much for always supporting me. I'll see you on my next one. Let me see you on Tuesday.